So welcome back to another Makeup Monday and happy halfway to Halloween. We're going to do kind of a orange and purple makeup look for today, and we're going to start with Fade into Hue from ColourPop. I'm thinking I'm going to do like orange and then like purple, thinking. Also I have a new setup. I got a little makeup cart and it's like right there. And I also have a mirror that's up here, so we're going to see how that works today. This brush is dirty, but I'm going to try using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to start, I think, with Art Deco. That looks really pretty. A really bright orange color. Okay, this isn't going to work because the lighting needs to be... It's really pretty. I really like that. And then next, let's do... There's so many good purples, so... I think I'm going to do Nova, Nouveau. And I'm going to do that from like here over. I think I love whenever like green is added into Halloween stuff. So I think I want to do like green like kind of up by my eyebrows, and I'm going to do Designer. I'm going to go in with So Precious over the orange to add a little more glitter. Actually, I'm going to go over all of it with So Precious. Okay, at first I was like not sure about this, but I'm loving how it's looking now, and I'm gonna add some mascara and I'll be right back. Here's the finished makeup look for halfway to Halloween. Hope you have a great day and happy halfway to Halloween.